All right, we're back with the Cherokee, of course. We have a transmission cooler line adapter fitting, I believe is what it is. Something that looks kind of like this. Anyways, mine's been leaking. Mine has been leaking an awful lot. So today, hopefully, I can show you guys how to fix it. So let's try. So I'm sure you guys could see where the problem is. It's this. It is. So you're gonna start off just popping this out if it wants to pop out. Holy hell. So basically it's gonna do something like that. Typically people would just drain out the fucking transmission fluid that they have, but me personally, it's just already all gone. So I just let it drip whatever it has left in there because I've already leaked out probably just about 4 quarts. Also, don't forget to pull out your little plastic piece here. That's, if I can reach it, holy shit. Just that. Because that's kind of important. And then I have a 7/8 socket here, I believe is going to work. You're basically just going to do the same thing going in. Throw a little bit of transmission fluid on your O-ring, because that's what you're supposed to do with O-rings. The guy that I watched, he definitely cleaned this up before he threw it back in, but I'm not going to do that. So I think that's good. Then an important step, controversial step, of course. You can put fluid back in it. It's not up to me. I don't make the fucking rules. It's your Jeep, your choice, or your shit box, your choice. Me personally, I'm not going to put fluid in there. I'm just going to leave the aw4 fucking eat. I forgot to record an outro, so if you guys enjoyed this video and want me to do more informational videos like this, let me know. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer more in depth. I kind of speed ran this because I had to fucking mow the lawn. Also, subscribe. It's good for your health.